Good morning, class. Today we are going to start lesson number 6, that is also of chemistry. It is changes around us. Changes take place around us all the time. It is a continuous process, and we can say that change is the rule of nature. For example, some common changes which we see is change in position, like Earth is changing its position whole year around the sun. Change in color. For example, we see the blue sky in the daytime but dark sky at the night time. Change in shape. We see the different shapes of moon in the different days. Change in size. Suppose you germinate a seed. Initially it is a small plantlet, and then slowly it is growing to become a big tree. Change in temperature. Difference of the temperature in the day and night, or the difference of the temperature in summers and winter. Some days are hot, some days are cold. The next is change in state or form. Different states are solid, liquid, and gases. If we take the example of water, it is in the liquid form. But when we freeze it, it changes to ice, that is a solid form. Again, if we melt it, then it becomes liquid again. And if we heat the water, it changes to gaseous state, that is steam. Some changes are reversible in nature and some are irreversible. Reversible changes are those in which the changed substance is obtained back in its original form. For example, when we stretch a rubber band, it becomes stretched. But when we leave it, then it comes into the normal position. Suppose we melt wax, it becomes liquid. But when we remove the heating process, then it is again in the solid form. So this type of changes are reversible changes. Next is irreversible changes. These are in which the change is permanent and we do not get back the original substance. For example, burning of wood, dusting of iron, ripening of fruits, or cooking of food, or respiration. Some reversible changes in our daily examples are expansion and contraction. All the three states of matter like solid, liquid, and gases, they expand on heating and contract on cooling. Another is solubility. Dissolving sugar or salt in water which is soluble, that is also a reversible change. Some technical terms associated with the solubility are solvent. Suppose in this case we take water in which we are dissolving the sugar is solvent. Solute is the substance which is dissolved in the solvent, suppose salt and sugar. And when we mix them both, the mixture which is transparent is prepared is a solution. Irreversible change is also known as chemical change. Then another type of change is known as physical change. Physical change is a change in which no new substance is formed. For example, melting of ice, tearing of paper. Chemical change in which the substance with different properties are formed and cannot be reversed by physical means is called a chemical change. So this is all for today. Thank you.